a manager with power equipment multinational Hitachi Energy has said that China's drive to realize dual carbon goals has resulted in the company's production plant in northwest China's Xi'an, developing into its largest power capacitor manufacturing base across the world. In April 2023, a new manufacturing base in Xi'an, made possible by investment from Hitachi Energy, was put into use to produce capacitors and power quality products. The products are now exported to Europe, the United States, Oceania, and Africa, which further increases Hitachi Energy's confidence in the Chinese market.
我们在西安落户西咸新区丰东新城，也得到了当地政府的大力支持，在西安有充沛的人力资源和配套设施，这两个方面就导致了我们会进一步扩大我们的投资，满足不断增长的市场需求，包括中国的市场需求以及全球的市场需求。中国政府推动了3.6年的战略，也就是2030年碳达峰，2060年碳中和，对于这个清洁能源的使用提出了巨大的需求，对我们这样的行业提供了一个巨大的市场利好。